Hi guys, Dr. Cindy Smith here, and in this unit we are looking at landscape ecology, and what I want to show you today is we're talking about boundaries and edges and matrices and corridors that from which wildlife and other organisms travel. If you look here, we're standing actually on an edge area, and we've got interior forest inside. So this ultimately was bottomland hardwood forest, but we've got an area that's been fragmented off. This is a mowed meadow, also used as a campground. And some of the things to pay attention to is that abrupt edge where we go from mowed area to trees. Research tells us, and you can see it, is that predators, especially mammalian predators, they like to travel along these edges. And if you are a small mammal or a bird, predation is much higher on edges versus in the interior area where it's harder to get to. Corridors, wildlife corridors, which are really important for wildlife to cross areas such as roads. A wildlife corridor is an area of vegetation that's got structural connectivity that from one patch to another patch. And you can see that here. And I think as you go through the slides in this particular module, pay careful attention to the videos that are embedded, because we talk about a number of different situations with boundaries and corridors. Also, think about neighborhoods, think about college campuses when they've been chopped up and cut up, and as those edges increase, we get a lot more birds that are adapted to edges, but they may not always necessarily be our native species. Although there are some that are, do really well. All the backyard birds that do. Ooh, look, the meadow does attract insects, but we're good.